Today we will talk about F prime C, which is the compressive strength of concrete. Eventually, if you can see over here, this cap, this surface, we can see that it contains irregularities. Okay? It is not leveled. That's why we need to have a cap. We have two ways in doing the cap. First of all, we can use a neoprene pad. Okay, نوع من الكاوتشوك, neoprene pad. Only two kinds. EUR 70, EUR 75. It depends on the quality of concrete. It's a high strength. تستعمل لها a designated neoprene pad. And we will put it like this in this cap, and then we cap it over here on both sides. In this way, the force will be distributed equally over the surface, and it compensates the irregularities, as if the surface is very smooth. Now, this is the first way. The second way is we put sulfur. They are dry. We can use dry, and then we put them at 150 degrees centigrade. They become a liquid. Be careful when you want to use sulfur, not to have it in a closed area. It must be an open area, ventilated area, using masks, because it is a cancerous material. Vapor is cancerous material. Now, we come over here to put the cap. Be careful that this surface must not have any moist. You can see that it contains here moist. It must be dry. That's why you have to take the cylinders out of the water tank 30 minutes before capping or before crushing them into the concrete crushing machine. Okay? Why we don't want the surface to be moist when we apply the sulfur capping? Because sulfur will react with the moist and it will make some foam. Our intention is to remove any voids. If we have moist, I will create you foam, as if I didn't do anything. The surface, it will show that it is straight, but beneath the sulfur there are voids, meaning to say I'm not compressing the cylinder equally over the whole area. That's why you as engineers, I can give you a hint. You can bring a coin to the lab and then hit the surface gently. If it makes the sound of a hollow, like this sound, it means that they have voids. You can reject them. Okay? Now we put sulfur in this way. Okay, we hold this like this. We pour sulfur over here, and then we bring the cylinder over these two alignment columns, and then slide it down until it is inside the sulfur. I will take it in this way after like half a minute, put it in this way, and then I will wait like 15 minutes in order that this surface will be dry. The sulfur will dry. I can do the other side. Now I am ready to perform the experiment. You must be aware of two things: length and diameter. Length over diameter must be equal to 2. ماشي? Now, if L over D less than 1.8, you have to refer to the code. There is some correction factor you have to know. Okay? There could some other technicality. Sometimes neoprene pads will cause the cylinder to split into a column failure. بيرفع بالنص like this. And this failure is rejected by ASTM. Is rejected. So if the neoprene pad is causing the cylinder to split into half, you are obliged to use the sulfur capping. And at all times, sulfur capping is recommended. Okay? Is recommended. Okay? And you must know exactly how to transform the compressive force into a unit of stress in megapascal. In Lebanon, we use megapascal and we use another designation unit which is kilogram per centimeter square. يعني بيقولوا لكم بالكيلو بتعمل هالقد. تفوش على هالقد كيلو. It means that kilogram per centimeter square. أو designation هي megapascal بيقولوا لكم مثلا B25. It means that it is 25. Design F prime C is 25 megapascal. Our standard F prime C is on the 28th day. Though we will reach 95% of the design, we will never reach 100%, and concrete will still increase in its strength asymptotically for 1 year. For 1 year. Okay? Thank you.